Guys, it's Angelo from Helpful Lifetime Advice. We're going to be talking about make money online with your website, blog, brand, or business. Step number one is to really start, create, and get your site ground set up. Have your plan and site name. Let's go. Site ground. The link is also on this video link on the description. Let's go to hosting. The web hosting. These are the plan. Now, I recommend the startup because you can always update, or grow big later on when your website, business, or blog are growing. So let's go ahead and select startup. Register a new domain in your website name. I always recommend the .com. Always select. Proceed. And congratulations. Our website name is available. These are your important information for your website. Here's our plan. You can select per month or 12 months. Now I recommend 12 months because you want to be able to have time to succeed with your website or business or blog or brand. I recommend the domain privacy because you don't want your name or your address or phone number out there once you purchase this domain name. These two are optional, so it depends on your preferences. See, it's 75 per year. And the discount code for SiteGround is below this video. I would appreciate it. Step number 2 is to install a WordPress. This is where we install our theme, our website looks, and contents. Once we've completed that, step number 4 is to create useful, positive, and inspiring contents to help people. And step number 5 is to monetize it for us to make money on our website, blog, or business. Thanks. Hope this helps, guys, and please don't forget to like,